tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagkan at yakapin, hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko, pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, na 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 ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na 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 na. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi, kahit maputi, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Hello, Ate Esther. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We wish you a happy birthday and always a good health.
Happy birthday.
Kumusta sa inyong lahat diyan? Sa lahat ng mga kasamahan dyan, sa lahat sa inyo dyan, kumusta? Sana lagi tayong pagpalain ng Panginoon. Laging bigyan ng magandang buhay, magandang pangatawan.
Healthy life po
Healthy life.
is healthy wealth.
Healthy what? Healthy.
Healthy life.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, happy birthday, Ate Esther.
Happy birthday.
See you soon.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy Happy 60th birthday, Ninang! Ninang to sa shakies!
Ninang Esther, happy birthday po. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa Panginoon sa inyong buhay. At kahit po kayo ay nasa US, ay damang-dama po namin ang inyong pagmamahal at ang inyong generosity sa aming pamilya.
Ang amin pong panalangin sa inyo, syempre, number 1 ay good health para mas marami pa kayong matulungang tao at ma-bless, maging channel of blessing kayo sa iba, sa mga nakikilala ninyo at makikilala pa.
At syempre po, para good health, para mas marami pa kayong mapuntahan na lugar, kahit 60 na ay kayang-kaya pa. Dubai po ulit.
Ninang, salamat po sa inyong US. Sana po patalubong po ng 10 balot ng chips ahoy. Dubai ulit!
Happy
birthday po!
See you soon!
We love you!
With Kion!
And Caleb!
Bye!
And Zach!
And
Bye!
Happy 60th birthday, Ninang! We thank the Lord for your life and we pray for more healthy years to come. We miss you and the family. See you soon! Happy birthday!
Hi sister, happy birthday to you. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health as always and more blessings. Kahit marami ka ng blessing, ay more pa din. Thank you so much sa iyong pag-help sa aming family. Thank you dahil lagi ka na andyan para sa amin. Sana ay patuloy ka pang bigyan ng malakas na buhay, malakas na katawan, mahabang buhay, para marami ka pang matulungan. Yun, nakarating tayo sa ganitong age ng we are aging gracefully. Okay, happy birthday! Thank you so much for everything, Bye! God bless!
Ninang, happy birthday po. Salamat sa Lord sa 60th na faithfulness niya sa iyo. And salamat din po sa generosity sa buong family namin dito. So, ang prayer po sa inyo ay good health and more blessings. See you soon po sa December. Happy birthday po. God bless. Love you po.
And Esther, happy 60th birthday! Prayer namin na mas maging healthy ka and mas ma-enjoy mo ang mga susunod na araw at susunod na taon. Happy 60th birthday! See you soon!
Hi, Ate Esther. Happy birthday. God bless you more. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Teacher Esther. God bless po. Ingat po kayo.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Esther! Hello po, Ninang. We are rejoicing with you. Congratulations for achieving another milestone sa buhay ninyo by the grace of God. At ang verse po namin sa inyo ay yung syempre sa Esther chapter 4 verse 14. At ang sabi, who knows whether you have not come to the kingdom for such a time as this. Ang prayer po namin, kagaya ni Esther, mapulfill niyo po ang purpose sa inyo ng Panginoon sa paglilingkod sa Kanya, pagtulong kay Ninong Pastor Alex, at kung ano pang pinapagawa sa iyo ng Panginoon ayon sa tamang panahon na nais ng Diyos na ito ay inyong magampanan para sa Kanya. Dalangin po namin para sa inyo ang
Energy!
S!
Safety and protection anywhere you go!
T!
treasure sa heaven and sa earth!
H!
Happiness and more upon to come!
E!
Elegance palagi!
R!
Rumaragasang blessings!
Mula sa Pilipinas hanggang sa Estados Unidos, maligayang kaarawan! E!
Sir!
Ayos na sa...
Happy 60th birthday, Esther!
Happy birthday, my dear Esther. At ang aking bilangin, sana patuloy tayong pagpalain ng ating Panginoon sa iyong mga ginagawa paglilingkod sa ating Diyos. Happy birthday! We love you and miss you so much.
A beautiful 60th birthday, Ate Esther!
Hello, Ate Esther. Happy birthday po. Salamat po sa Panginoon
lumapit ng 6 p.m. Salamat sa katapangan ng buhay niya. Na kami po bilang isang pamilya ay ramdam po namin yung pagpapala ng Diyos sa inyo dahil dumadaloy po sa aming buong family. Congratulations po at kayo ay dalawa namin yung citizenship. Happy birthday!
Hello, Tet! Salamat sa Panginoon sa buhay mo. Salamat sa 60 taon na pag-iingat ng Panginoon sa iyo. And salamat sa friendship. Salamat dahil hindi lang doon natapos, kundi magkumari pa tayo. At nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil nakilala kita. Ayan, nauna ka lang, susunod na din ako. Welcome to the club na! Yes, nasa seniors na tayo pero salamat sa Panginoon sa patuloy niyang pag-iingat sa bawat isa sa atin. Thank you my dear and God bless. Happy 60th birthday. I love you. See you soon.
Hello po Ate Esther. Happy 60th birthday po. Salamat po sa Panginoon sa buhay ninyo. Kayo po ay isang pagpapala sa akin. Nandito pa po ako sa CSB at kayo po ang ginamit ng Lord nung kanyang pinabalik ako sa paaralang ito. Salamat po sa panalangin, salamat po sa mga encouragement. Ang dalahin ko po patuloy niyo pong maranasan ang pagpapala ng Diyos, ang kanyang pag-iingat sa inyo at i-grant po niya yung desires ng inyong puso. Happy birthday Ate Esther. Love you po.
There you go.
Hi, Kumaring Ted! Nako, talagang charm is deceitful and beauty is fleeting. But the woman who fears the Lord, you are to be praised. Salamat sa itinatag mo ang ating cell group. We have hope, we have wow. Salamat sa iyong buhay. Aking mahal na Kumare. Happy 60th!
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Esther! We love you! God bless you!
Happy 60th birthday, Ninang Esther. I'm thanking God for the gift of your life and the blessing you've been to so many people. May the Lord continue to grant you good health, joy, peace, and may this new decade be filled with His abundant grace and favor. Praying that you enjoy this milestone with so much love and laughter. Happy birthday po ulit, Ninang.
Happy, happy birthday! Happy, happy birthday! Happy, happy birthday sa'yo! Pagpalain ka ng ating Panginoon. Happy 60th birthday to you! Happy birthday, Ate Esther! Happy birthday, Mommy Esther! God bless you! More birthdays to come to you! I love you! We love you! See you soon! Mwah! Flying kiss!
Happy 60th birthday, Mommy Ted! You are more than a godmother. You're like a second mom to me. And I'm grateful for your love, for your kindness, for your wisdom, and guidance in my life. I hope this milestone year brings you everything your heart desires. We love you, and see you soon!
Esther, happy birthday!
Welcome to the club!
Salamat sa Diyos sa panibagong taon na ibinigay sa iyo. Ito ay kapahayagan ng kanyang kabutihan at kadakilaan na siya pa rin ay siyang magpupuno ng kagalakan sa puso mo. Kaya kami ay nagagalak at bumabati ng
Happy 60th birthday, Esther!
Yes.
Go. Daddy. Oh, go.
Ako sa sarili ko.
Oh, go.
Hi, Ate Esther.
Happy birthday!
See you soon.
Happy birthday, Ted!
Happy birthday to you, my dear friend, Esther. Welcome to the world of discounts. Kung dito ka lang sana nakatira sa Philippines. Seriously though, I thank God for you and for our friendship, which spans around 40 years now.
40 years?
Yeah, 40 years na. I'm grateful to God for the 4 decades of laughter, tears, adventures, and the memories that we've shared. Your prayer life and your strong faith in God have blessed me, Ted, and I'm sure there are others who are blessed with this as well.
I remember that verse from Proverbs about friendship, which truly is reflective of how you've been a friend to us through the years. Sabi doon sa Proverbs, a friend loves at all times. Through the ups and downs, the highs and lows, you've been a friend to us. And we're so grateful. May the Lord bless you. May you receive more of God's wisdom, God's favor, and the joy of the Lord continue to be upon you, to refresh you. And siyempre, good health din as God's blessing sa iyo at sa buong pamilya.
Yes, we love you, Ted, and as what Tim said, we pray that God will grant you many more years of good health and strength.
Happy birthday, Tita Esther! Woo! Party! Huy! Happy birthday, Ninang Esther! Thank you for being our family's #1 budolera. Grabe! You know, when it comes to flights, yung pambubudol mo is so real, natutuloy talaga sila. I'm really so grateful, Nina, for how you treat us like family. Even while we're apart, we really feel it. We really feel your love. So yeah, happy birthday, Ninang! Love you!
Happy birthday, Tita Esther. Just like Chelsea, I also appreciate your adventurous spirit. But on top of that, I also am grateful for how generous you are towards us, towards our family. Thank you for the way that you make us feel so welcome whenever we're there, and even when we're thousands of miles apart, we still feel how much you care for us and how you're looking out for us, even though we're on 2 different continents. And we're so blessed by your life, your family's life. Even though sometimes life can be chaotic, we pray that you'll still experience the kind of peace that only God can give.
Yes. Yeah, grabe, Ninang. We love this for you. This is your best year yet.
Yes,
let's give it up for 60.
Be your best year yet.
Woo! And again, happy birthday, Ninang Esther. We love you so much, and we will see you soon. Bye! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Esther. We love you.